Hi everybody, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Loft, Chico, California. And I'm getting ready to go in and take a look at my breeder cocks for the year. See how the boys are doing, along with Mr. Biter himself. Here we go. Here we are. Hi Biter, how you doing, young fella? You're not quite that young, but you're still ornery as a junkyard dog, aren't you? Do you like me better now, huh? Oh, do you like me better now than you did yesterday? No, I don't think so. He said, just get your hand out of my nest. See, I go over here and put my hand over here. Then he attacks. Get your butt ahead, boy. He's ornery, but I tell you, he's going to be 13 this year. And right now, he feels like he could go on a 500-mile race. He feels so good. Feels like a young 2 or 3 year old. Might be the meanness in him that's causing him to keep in such good shape. Here's some of my other cockbirds here. I'll try to get them over here in the light where you can see them. Got some beauties. I will be selling some of these breeders here to make room for some of my 2012s that I want to breed out of. And I will have 6 4-bird kits I'm going to sell off my sales site, Hawkbait sales site. So there are going to be 6 4-bird kits, and that's it. 24 young birds, and when they're sold, that's it. And they're all out of these breeders here that have produced me winners for the since 2006. I've won average speed in the club, champion bird, champion loft since 2006, and these birds really produce good. I'll tell you, I got a good bunch of cockbirds here, and I put them over here so you can see them. A little crowded in here, but the light's a lot better. There's some beauties here. I want to show you another bird. This is going to be my new biter bird here. This is Ringo Starr here. The biter is his uncle, and you can see he takes after his uncle. Uncle Biter right there. What do you think, Biter? You think he's going to be a good one? A good biter to take your place when you go to birdie heaven? You don't plan on going there for a long time, do you? And this is really funny. This is the biter. This is his nephew. And then this is his nephew's son right here, who was an AU Ace Pigeon last year and an AU Hall of Fame pigeon. Most of these birds in here have either won races or AU Ace birds. This cock right here is an AU Ace bird. He won the 300 for me. Excellent pigeon. And here's one of his cousins right here, this mealy cock, who in 2011 was one of my top birds here. And this is one of my top breeders right here. This is 184. And I'm breeding out of probably 4 of his daughters and 6 or 7 of his sons. They really produce. They produce the goods. Here's one right here. He's a beauty. He's a beauty. Come here, boy. Come on, are you going to bite me too? Oh, he's a biter too, boy. He's not as mean as you, though, Biter. Nobody's as mean as you. You're just a tough kid. You must have come from the wrong side of the tracks, huh? Well, I tell you what, I didn't fly the biter much, But his grandmothers were all 600-mile winners. Just fantastic flying pigeons, I'll tell you. So we'll take a quick look at the birds. Here, boys. There's another champion bird, that number 95 over there. Here's a 300-mile winner for me. Most of these birds, like I said, are either winners or I think almost all these birds have won me diplomas. I believe in breeding best to best. Like this guy here, I bred him to a little red hen. He produced me three birds last year that were AU Ace pigeons, and two of them were AU Hall of Fame pigeons. He is a good one. This is my pure blue demon strain right here. But boy, they cross good. They're a line bred family I've had for close to 20 years. And excellent on the distance and excellent at young birds from 250 to 400 miles. These guys come right up at the top. Here's a little late hatch youngster I raised this year. I didn't fly it. But this guy right here, who's one of my top breeders, Blue Demon breeders, and he's a son, he's a cockbird, so I want to keep that line going. I got to keep some boys out of him. Ow! Man, this guy totally mean. You are totally mean, big guy. I can pick him up, put him on my shoulder, and he'll knock my hat off. He hates my hat. Well, this is Dennis from Hawkbait Lofts. Until next time, bye-bye.